Hey, what's up? We've got Fun Day Friday in the Gator pit over here. Got our Torchmate CNC 4510 burning some steel, making some product. I'm going to cut enough product out today. I'm going to be burning all day, and we're going to be cutting out literally hundreds of pieces of parts to build our Gator pit. Guys, we're enjoying this Torchmate. I got to tell you, it is the production time of this. It saves us so much in time and money. This machine will without a doubt pay for itself within the first year of use. Just in what it's saving us in cutting our parts, the time of labor it's saving us, and material, and also what else we can produce with this to add to our product line for our company, Gator Pit. So not only is it speeding up our production, saving us money and material, but it's also going to allow us to produce and add products to our already product line. Well worth it, man. Well worth it, guys. I'm Rich Robbins. See ya.